Whew, it's cool, guy. So, how do you feel about this one? Okay, guy. Here I have the JBL Go 5, and I'm going to do the sound test on this speaker, and let's see together. Let's hear about the music on this speaker. It's cool, guy. Whew, it's cool, guy. Let's hear another song.
Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance now. My hands stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'll sing it like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't make me say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Open my heart, it's falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Discovering something brand new.
Whew, it's cool, guy. So, how do you feel about this one? And what sound do you want me to try on this? Let me know in the comment. And yes, thank you for watching.